I have been waiting to open this box a long time. In my hand we have a heavy hitter. This is the F1 Eccellenza set 2023 by Topps. I've been sitting on this box for at least a year waiting to open it. You can pull some absolutely insane cards in this video. I'm talking about autographed icon cards and even 1 out of 1 relics of current drivers. I do generally feel that F1 cards are undervalued as a whole. In my hand right here you'll see a 1956 Fangio card by Cadet Suite. So Cadet Suites used to make a lot of cards back in the day. You'll see a lot of like football players that used to have Cadet Suite cards. Now this card is a second year rookie of Fangio, who was considered one of the greatest F1 drivers of all time. A F1 legend, which there's only a handful of these in existence, and I picked it up for £60. Yes, it might only be a grade 3, but I feel like that just shows you how undervalued the F1 sport is overall when it comes to the card market. F1 is a big money sport. F1 relics go for a lot of money, and the fact that these cards are selling for like £60 for something like this, again, just backs up the point. Anyway, enough talking, let's start this unboxing. The plastic is off, so I believe it is just the one packet in this box, and this one packet will have 7 cards and a relic or autograph card inside. So let's pop that over here. This is a big moment in this channel's history. We could pull a card which could send me on the way to retirement itself. So let's pray for a 1 out of 1 Hamilton or a 1 out of 1 Verstappen. So we got Carlos Sainz to kick it off. So these cards, as you can tell, are quite thick and they are very premium. So not a bad card to kick it off with. And you can see at the back it is just plain, but yeah, very nice design itself. We have his Alex Albon card, William Racing, as our next one. Not too bad. So I do believe we get a parallel as well in this set. So the next one is a Nigel Mansell. So this is our parallel card, 32 out of 75, not too bad. You can pull an autographed Nigel Mansell card, so we'll see if we get that in this video. So I think we then have a second parallel in this set. So we have a Bottas, 49 out of 49, not too bad itself. You could always get a worse person than Bottas, a silent soldier. So now we've got 3 cards left. So this one looks, oh, that is our relic card there. So I thought the relic card was this one here, not that one. So we'll pull the back one just to go through. So we have a Lance Stroll. Don't rate Lance Stroll at all. Personally, I just think he's a spoiled rich kid. Dad had to buy a team so he could get a seat, but you know what? You can't hate him because he's got that generational money rolling. So back to the set. I feel like we might have an auto and a relic. I'm sure the relic should have been this last card here. So what we have, a Red Bull Max Verstappen. So we're not getting a Max Verstappen 1 out of 1 today, just a regular base Max Verstappen. Okay, so let's see what the big pool is. So here is our Bottas. Could we be in the money today? It's green. Green is suggesting, I don't know any teams which are green. That's suggesting it could be an icon. Oh, it's numbered. It is numbered out of 99, so it's a pretty high number, 82 out of 99. So we have a Zhao Guanyu, 82 out of 99. I definitely butchered the name there. It wasn't the big pool we were hoping for at all. Alfa Romeo F1 team. So as you can see, there is the relic there. I wonder if it gives you any details. So we have Topps Authentic. I don't know if that's going to focus. Authentic driver worn swatch there. So it is a nice looking card. Not the card we were hoping for. Plain on the back as well. I was hoping, you know, they could have added some stats on this main pool itself. But that is our big pull of the F1 Tops Eccellenza set. Not one to be sending to PSA, definitely on the eBay store tonight.